So talking about the US stock market news. So the US market remained flat overall on Monday, and the US Federal Reserve Chairman may speak on the interest rates on Friday. Uh, and also, some of the companies have announced their results. Now, the US government will buy 10% stake in the Intel, which is rare because the US government usually do not buy stakes in the private companies, and the government is buying the stake because the Intel company is in the difficulties, and government of the US wants to increase the production of semiconductors in the USA. So the US trade representative has said there has been surge in the import of rare earth metals from China, and the Apple plans to increase the production to 60 million this year compared to 35 to 40 million in the last year. So talking about the some of the news in the Indian stock market. So the Foxconn has started the production of iPhone 17 in Bangalore, India. Knowledge REIT has been listed, and it has been the fifth REIT to be listed in India. Uh, Reliance Consumer Products, the arm of Reliance Industries, has acquired a majority of stake in the Nature Edge beverages, and the Sensex and Nifty 50 is on surge compared to yesterday while we are recording this video. So talking about some of the geopolitical news. So the Chinese foreign minister have met India's external affairs minister yesterday, and he is in India currently. Now, the Trump and European leaders and Ukraine president met after the meeting with Putin in Alaska. So discussions are happening to stop the war between the Ukraine and Russia. Thank you. Please do like and share to my video and subscribe to my channel and stay updated for more videos like this, and leave your doubts in the comment section below.